Barcelona, Spain, Monday, November 4, 2024.
Dios, Dios, Dios. Esto parece que no tiene fin.
Extreme weather in the form of heavy rain, which poured on the Barcelona area and its surroundings, caused by Cyclone Dana, caused severe flooding in several streets, especially in Castelldefels and Gavà, causing severe traffic congestion, on Monday, November 4, 2024. The rain that fell in Catalonia has caused many incidents in the city, and caused various streets and alleys in the city to be closed, including Avenida de la Pineda, and Rambla Marisol, then Avenue the Beach, then Pitort with Barcelona, or Paseo del Ferrocarril with Calle del Romani. Traffic was also disrupted due to flooding in the underground passages connecting the city center and the coast, passing Avenida de la Pineda, Avenida Ciudad de Málaga, etc. Some activities were suspended, and city facilities were closed. Given the critical situation, the local government has advised people to stay at home, avoid unnecessary travel, and avoid going down to basements and flood-prone areas. Meanwhile, at Barcelona Airport, the situation worsened with leaks and minor flooding in the corridors. Terminal T1 and the car parks were the most affected areas. So far, 17 flights have been diverted, and many delays have been reported, causing great hardship for travelers.